Hey there, Buy Smart family! Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printing with a head-to-head battle between two titans of the trade. On the left, we have the Sovol SV06, and on the right, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Roller coaster. Let's start with the price point. Sovol SV06 comes in at a cool $249, while the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is a bit pricier at $279. Now, for those extra $30, you could buy a lot of things, like a lifetime supply of ramen noodles. Just saying, ramen. Moving on to speed, the Sovol SV06 can zoom up to 150 millimeters per second, which is like your grandma's old car after a tune-up. But the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo, this beast can hit 250 millimeters per second. That's like trading in grandma's car for a Ferrari. Car running dash. So if you're in a hurry to print that emergency replacement part for your spaceship, the Kobra 2 Neo might just be your new best friend. Let's talk about extruders. The Sovol SV06 has a planetary dual-gear direct drive, which sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. Meanwhile, the Kobra 2 Neo is rocking a new integrated extruder with a 60W Hotend and a 7,000 revolutions per minute cooling fan. That's like having a mini jet engine on your printer. Airplane. If you're all about that precision and print quality, the Kobra 2 Neo's got your back with linear propulsion and input shaping. For the Sovol fans, you get higher drive ratios and lighter motors, which is still pretty darn cool. Next up is auto leveling. The Sovol SV06 has a 25-point auto leveling system that's like having a personal assistant making sure your bed is perfectly level. But the Kobra 2 Neo, it's got PEI-coated 2.0 automatic leveling that compensates the Z-axis offset intelligently. It's like having a super genius robot assistant. Robot. So if you're a newbie who's terrified of manual leveling, the Kobra 2 Neo might make your life a whole lot easier. Now, temperature. The Sovol SV06 can handle up to 300, which is hotter than my mixtape. The Kobra 2 Neo didn't specify its max temp, but it's got a 60W Hotend, so it's no slouch either. And for build plates, the Sovol SV06 has a flexible PEI-coated build plate that makes removing prints a breeze. The Kobra 2 Neo's details are a bit more hush-hush, but it's got that rapid cooling and molding, so you know it's solid. Finally, customer service. Sovol offers lifetime technical support, while Anycubic gives you 1 year of after-service with extra coverage for the print head and heated bed. Both companies are there for you, but Sovol's lifetime support is like having a parent that never stops nagging, caring for you. Cold sweat smile. Reviewers appreciate the Sovol SV06 for its impressive print quality, ease of assembly, and affordability. However, some have had issues with customer service. On the other hand, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is praised for its fast printing speed and high print quality. But some users have faced challenges with print quality and noise levels. Both printers have their strengths and weaknesses, making them suitable for different needs. So which one's the winner? That's up to you. If you're all about speed and ease of use, the Anycubic Kobra 2 Neo is your go-to. But if you're looking for a solid, reliable workhorse with lifetime support, the Sovol SV06 is calling your name. Let us know in the comments which one you're leaning towards and why. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, stay smart. Buy Smart. Scissor product links are in the description.